Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find Gallery app on your Nothing phone. This video will work for any Nothing phone, so it doesn't matter which model you have, you should be able to follow this tutorial. And what we need to do is basically, as we search, we can swipe up to go to the search bar. And as we search for Gallery, we cannot find it because the app on this phone is named Photos. So you should be looking for Photos. And if you find, you most probably will have found it by now. But if you don't, then there are two possible fixes. The first one is reinstalling the app. So I'm gonna show you that. Go to Play Store, then go to Search. Then search for Photos and then find Google Photos. You can also instead install Gallery. Both of these apps are provided by Google and I recommend them. If you want to install something else, then I wouldn't really install them because they may be kind of weird and not really trusted. I would trust the Google apps the most. So here you can click on Google Photos and click on Install or update or enable depending on the situation that occurs on your phone, and it should enable that app. Then it should be you should be able to find it in the search bar as I've shown you before. You can instead also install the Gallery app. It should work similarly, but if for some reason you either cannot install the app or it doesn't work, or you are not logged into Google account and don't want to install the app from Play Store, then you can go to Files app. You can see here, and in the Files app you can go to Images and find all the photos that have been taken on this phone, as well as videos, and find all the videos that have been taken. And this will basically work like the Photos app, but will have a bit less functions, although it's still possible to use it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.